Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, let us see some more details about using git log command. So we know in the previous video, we have been using the git log command to show the commit logs. So this is the docs page for git log. Okay, as you know, running git log will show up all the git commit logs here. And here the first one you can see it's a very long git commit message, and you can all the way go down to see the previous commits as well. Okay, so it's very long commit messages, and we are going to know about this commit hashes. Okay, let me go to the git documentation, git log. Okay, so before that, using this commit hashes, we need those in order to revisit a commit or undo a commit or check out or take a look at a commit. And if we have hundreds of commits and they all have these really long messages, then it could be really frustrating, right? So let us see some of the git log options, how we can shorten this message so that we can read that in one line. Okay, so let's go to the git documentation, and you can click on documentation, and here go to the reference manual, and here you can look for git log option. Okay, so under branching and merging, here you can see the log. So git log, it shows the commit logs. Okay, so just like with other git commands, there are a lot of options here, but the one I'm interested in now is like let me just search with that. Okay, so with the hyphen pretty format other than one line. Okay, so let me so under pretty equal to one line, we can use this option. The commit message is prefixed with this information on the same line. Okay, let me go back to the terminal. Okay, now let me run git log hyphen one line, and here now you can see the output. It should summarize the commit, and it just shows only the first line, and even the hashes you can see that it is shortened. Okay, and to view the complete log, as usual, you can run the git log, where you can see the bigger messages and the complete details of the git log. Okay, and to see it in one line, you can run git log one line command. Okay, it removes some extra blank lines as well. So as you can see here, added host to the test group inventory, and we can see all the commits messages here. Okay, so like that, there are so many options for the git log, which we can refer it using this git log documentation. Okay, so next let us see about amending commits. Okay, so suppose if we just made a commit and then we realized that we forgot to include a file or maybe we made a typo in the commit message that we want to correct it. So rather than making a brand new separate commit, we can redo the previous commit using the hyphen amend option. Okay, so here you can see the examples how we can use the git commit amend option here. Okay, so using git commit -m, we can specify the commit message, and then we can use the git add and the missed file, and then git commit -amend. So let us see some example so that we can better understand it. Okay, so here I have a couple of files already, and if I run git status, there is nothing to commit and working tree clean. So let me make some edit here. So let me edit the inventory and add serverd.acg.com, and next let me edit the package file. Okay, so here let me add something. Okay, let me add some packages. Okay, httpd, and okay, I'm saving the changes, and I'm going to add a new file. Okay, here I'm entering the details, name and UID. Okay, let me save this file, and now if I run git status, here we can see changes not staged. So there are a couple of files modified, and there is one new file for the user list. So now I'm going to commit the changes. So let me run git add inventory and package. Now if I run git status, still there is a user list untracked file. Okay, now if I run git commit and mention the message, okay, so updated inventory and package. Okay, two files changed, and now let us say when I check git status, then I noticed there is one file user list which is forgot to commit the changes. Okay, now I'm going to add this file user list, and now I'm not going to run the usual commit message here. So here I'm going to use the amend so that it will redo the previous commit and add the messages. So let me run. Okay, git commit amend, and this is going to open up in the default editor, which is Vim here, and here we can see the previous commit that we did for this following three files, and now we are going to add this file as well into the same commit and the message here. If you want, you can make the changes or you can save it. there is any typo in this commit message as well, that you can modify it here, and then you can save the changes. Okay, so now we have included the user list as well in the same previous commit without making the new commit. So now if I run git status, okay, nothing to commit and the working tree clean. And if I run git log, you can see that there is a one commit, updated inventory and package. Okay, so in this video we have learned more about using the git log command and also using the git commit with the mn command. Okay, so that's it in this video, and I'll see you in the next. Thank you.